How's it going? Good, good, good. Need to know if you have a guest staying here.
Okay.
The name is right there.
At 2:41 a.m., a hotel room in Miami went silent. No shouting. No struggle anyone could hear. Just a door closing. Hours later, a 14-year-old girl was found barely conscious. Her face swollen. Her memory fractured. And the man who had taken responsibility for her that night? He was gone. For years, he told millions exactly who he was. A survivor. A teacher. A leader forged by pain. But in 2021, his story collided with something he could not control. Evidence. And once the evidence spoke, the myth collapsed. Michael Eugene Noak Jr. was born in 1983, in Brooklyn's Brownsville projects, an environment defined by violence in the 1980s and 90s. He would later say he was abandoned by his parents. Raised by his grandmother. Moved through shelters, juvenile facilities, and eventually, the streets. As a teenager, he joined the Crips. He admitted to drug dealing. Gun charges. Violent crime. Prison followed. And behind bars, he claimed something changed. When he was released, Michael Noak reinvented himself as Brother Polite, a self-styled consciousness leader. He founded an organization called New Covenant. Claimed to have written over 90 books. Built a massive online following. People trusted him. And that trust would become the doorway to a crime that ended everything. If you value deep dive, respectful, fact-driven true crime, take a moment now to subscribe. These stories deserve careful attention, not sensationalism. In February of 2021, Brother Polite was in Miami, Florida. He was romantically involved with a woman who had a 14-year-old daughter. That night, he asked permission to take the teenager to an after-party at a Miami nightclub. The club never opened. But instead of returning the child home, police say Polite took her to his hotel room on Miami Beach. What happened next would later be reconstructed through forensic exams, timelines, and witness statements.
How's it going? Good, good, good. Need to know if you have a guest staying here.
Okay.
The name is right there. NOA case.
They're looking for a guest.
As far as providing information to them, I would think that would definitely have to go through management. So give me 1 second, let me get to the person in charge of this here.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah, he's
We need to go up to the room.
Okay, I need to have, I've already spoken with the general manager, and we need to have a subpoena or a warrant or something in order to allow you to go up to this guest room.
Yeah, they want a subpoena or a warrant. Yeah, mind you. Well, to have a fob to go to the rooms, and the management has told me right now that they need a subpoena or a warrant. I can't get up to the room.
You know this is not a shoplifting case. You don't send police officers. We're not coming for a shop. This is a forcible felony. And what we'll do, this is, if it goes one way or the other, it could be like it's all smoke and mirrors, or it could be a very serious event. If it goes to a very serious event, the news coverage will they gonna know about this, and this is gonna come out. I'm just letting you know, and I'm not afraid to say it. I'm not afraid to say it. I'm on camera. But I'm just letting you know the repercussions. It's a possibility that a possible felon could be walking out the front door, could be walking out the back door, and we're just waiting to see.
Arrested for obstruction.
Let me contact my general manager.
Just so you know that.
I'm just following the.
Okay, but you're on the borderline of obstruction.
Okay.
Okay, it's an active investigation. We have a subject here we want, and you're
Okay, just 1 moment.
potential crime scene also. So.
But
said that it's all right for me to escort you up to the room, okay?
Okay.
It's past checkout time. I can open the door.
And we sure he hasn't checked out already? We don't know.
No, he's not checked out. He's still occupied in our system.
What time is checkout? 11?
11.
Oh.
Housekeeping. Housekeeping.
Anybody here?
Housekeeping.
Oh, let's go inside and check the room. Beach Police, anybody here? What is this?
The AC unit.
AC units here?
No, it's a private closet. It's,
Okay.
Do we need?
Yeah, we need crime scene. We're gonna hold this. Yeah, we're gonna hold this. All right. Thank you for your cooperation. We're gonna hold this room now for crime scene. I need to have him come over and process this room.
Okay, so it will be for all day, or?
No, it shouldn't be all day.
Okay.
Okay.
Because we're fully committed tonight, and
No
this room
problem.
is resold.
I'll tell him that we'll make it as quickly as possible. So he put a
Okay.
chair there or something. The door isn't closed.
Can you double lock it, please? Double lock.
I'm staying here. I'm not going
Oh, you're
anywhere.
gonna stay?
Yeah, I gotta stay. I gotta hold the crime scene. I gotta stay here.
Let
So
me just remove this.
I'll just take the information. That's Wyatt Mitchell. Okay.
Wyatt and Mitchell, and if you need a case or anything, I'll give it to you.
Please, let me generate the report real quick.
No
and come back
problem.
over here.
We're gonna be here.
Thank you.
Following five.
Yeah, you just left without saying.
All units correct, shift one.
No, that's the front desk. Edgar, come back, Edgar.
Uniform 515, QSK.
If you can have a crime scene respond to process a scene over at 1100 West Avenue, apartment 319.
No, not your room. Edgar, do not let any room attendant into 319 until we get an all
Available crime
clear.
scene unit on
Do
the air.
not let anybody into 319. Do you copy?
1067, QSK. 1067 is going to be in reference to a 14. It's going to be for 11.
I said do not let any room
Come again?
attendant into 319 until we get an all
It's going to
clear.
be 21566,
This does not belong to
21566.
Natalia. I'm not sure which room attendant has it.
QSL on route 115. QSL, 1145 My Beach.
Make sure you have a translator to tell her not to go.
Is there a QSK?
in Creole.
Oh, we're staying here. Nobody's gonna go inside. I'll tell her anyway.
QSL, channel 4.
Doesn't really speak English.
No problem.
Do you speak Creole?
No, but I can tell her no clean. We'll work it out. Thank you again for your help.
My pleasure.
No problem.
The girl was eventually discovered severely intoxicated. Her face showed visible injuries. Her mother confronted Polite. According to investigators, he tried to stop her from calling police. Warned her that reporting the incident would ruin his career. She called anyway. The child was taken to the Roxy Bolton Rape Treatment Center. A forensic examination was performed. DNA evidence was collected. Miami Beach police immediately moved to locate Polite. Officers arrived at the hotel. Polite's room was still listed as occupied. But no one answered the door. Inside, the air conditioner hummed. Personal items remained. The bed had not been stripped. It looked abandoned in a hurry. Hotel management hesitated. Police pushed back. This was not a misunderstanding. This was a felony investigation involving a minor. Eventually, officers entered. And by then, the truth was unavoidable. Polite had already left, without checking out. He disappeared. Days turned into weeks. Weeks into months. In June 2021, a DNA warrant was issued. Still, no surrender. Then, 6 months after the incident, he finally turned himself in. August 16, 2021. Michael Eugene Noak Jr. sat quietly as he was processed. No speeches. No lectures. No followers. Just a man being fingerprinted.
Come up here, fool. You take any medication, diabetes, blood pressure pills, heart medicine, anything like that?
No,
Been around anybody with COVID-19 last 21 days that you know of?
ain't so bad. I took the test to confirm I don't have it as of yesterday.
Okay.
My attorney has the test. Matter of fact, I got the test results on me.
No worries, man.
Any medication?
No.
That's not an indication from my attorney.
Okay. It's all gonna go in the clear bag, and it'll go with you.
Okay.
But you can't have it on you. Spread your feet for me. I'm gonna take these off. When I take them off, place your hands on the table for me, sir. Go ahead. Go ahead. You're gonna take the do-rag off your head. Shoes, socks. Place them on the table for me, please. You give me his 13.
Is there anything there that says it's 13?
Yes. So his first name is Michael.
You said do rag?
Yes. Shoes and socks. Place them on the table.
C-A-A-E-L.
A-E-L, last name,
Noak, N-O-A-K, Jr.
date of birth?
Date of birth is August 10th, 1983. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
And age? He's 38.
Do we know the case number by chance?
215
Take something.
Socks. You're gonna get them right back.
66.
Perfect.
2021.
Yeah.
All right. Place your hands on the table for me.
Oh, this is your COVID testing, sir, and your attorney's representation. I'm hoping you're right.
Grab your socks. Put them on.
So do you want this back there, or what is that?
I'll take it right there. It's fine. I got you. Go ahead, you're gonna step in the cell seat for me. Your shoes are gonna stay outside like that.
Okay.
And when we go to leave, you can put them on.
Shortly after his arrest, he addressed the case publicly. But he didn't explain the evidence. He didn't deny specific allegations. Instead, he said nothing. He told his audience he wanted to build suspense. That silence spoke volumes. Because behind the scenes, prosecutors were building something else. A case grounded in forensic reality. DNA evidence. Medical findings. Injury documentation. The story Polite told the world did not match what science revealed.
I have nothing to say about the situation. And you, hold on, let me take this off. And I'm gonna tell you why I have nothing to say about the situation. It's gonna make perfect sense. For starters, I have a legal team. Plural. I have several attorneys. And it's not incumbent for me to speak on my own behalf when I have people that render that service for me that specialize in this. I don't want to say anything that may be misconstrued or contorted that may work against me. I know many of my followers may not understand the significance of not making certain professions in the interim of a scenario or this type of climate. But what I am telling you is in my best interest to say nothing. We heard what other people got to say, thank goodness. We heard that. We seen it, right? And that's all that matters. My side don't matter. My side don't matter. We don't need to know my side. Let's just take someone's side and run with it. That's what we should do. Even if their side, ain't saying nothing. If y'all read and sound like it makes sense, then it makes sense to you. I know I'm a black man in America. I know what it is. But also, there's another reason why I'm not going to say nothing. I want to build up the suspense, God. I want more people to jump out the window. I want more YouTube videos and more news channels.
In September 2023, he pleaded guilty to amended charges of aggravated child abuse causing great bodily harm. No trial theatrics. No viral speeches. Just accountability. For years, Brother Polite framed his life as a story of trauma and redemption. But courts don't judge narratives. They judge actions. And in this case, the cost was carried by a child whose life was permanently altered. True crime is not entertainment. It is accountability. If you want to support truth, justice, and responsible storytelling, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive. Because myths fade. But the truth remains.